How to see your liked posts on Instagram Threads app. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find all of your liked posts on the Threads app. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Also, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up your Threads app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, what you need to do is to find your liked posts. So for example, I'm just gonna like this two posts for reference. So what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and here you will find your profile, and at the top right you will see the menu icon. So just tap on it and your settings will pop up. Once you get to your settings, you will find something that like this called liked. So if you tap on it, it will show you all of the liked posts on your threads. And for example, if you want to unlike something or remove the like, you are just going to do this. And once you refresh your liked, the post will be removed from your liked list. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.